Traders, welcome back. I'm just going to do a quick video on market volatility due to any kind of scandal and how it can benefit you. So we're going to start with Nike and take a look back on the Colin Kaepernick scandal, if you really want to call it that, when Nike decided to use him for their latest ad campaign. And if you take a look at my mouse cursor in the chart here, there was a significant drop from 82 to, let's see, what was it at? 79.60. Now, I picked up some shares here, and I usually only hold for about a month when negativity in the press concerning a blue chip stock happens, specifically because you never really know what's going to happen beyond that initial fade from the news, after a couple weeks has passed and it's no longer relevant or trending news and things kind of re-equalize and stabilize. That's when you want to sell, because if you take a look further into the chart, it's cyclical. There's always going to be a negative moment, and now 74.51 is where it stood on the 10th of this month in November. But like these instances where there is no real problem with the fundamentals of the blue chip stock, it's just something momentary, like a hack, ad campaign scandal. Let's look. I did another swing trade. I never day trade. I think day trading is foolish, but the random swing trade based off of a relatively safe play because of something silly like a media, scandal or a hack, bad news blows over, and that's the reality. If you take a look at the screen again, here's the chart for Facebook. Another swing trade I did, and I got in. I wish I had got in at 152, but I ended up getting around 154. And I held this for. Facebook is a little bit more long term for me. You can agree to disagree, but I held this and I made a good profit off of it, because there was really no negative effect long term to the stock with the Analytica scandal. So these are just things to keep in mind, and this is one of the main reasons why I keep a little cash extra on the side, because there's always going to be something. Like even if you think back to the Equifax, I'm not going to pull the chart up, but the Equifax hack where everybody's credit was put out there and all their information, that did affect the stock. It dipped, but it was an excellent buying opportunity, and things passed, and now we're good. So these are just little things to keep in mind. I definitely would only do this with blue chip stocks that the news doesn't affect the underlying fundamentals of the company, where in a month it's going to blow over, because calmer heads prevail in the long term, and that's how you make money, not trying to chase penny stocks because of some random news that you think might make you a millionaire. This is about playing things long and buying quality over quantity, and that's just my 2 cents, and I would hold that with my dying breath. So I'm going to sign off here, but I thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again. Peace.